Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Navern Corporation manufactures and sells custom home elevator from the time an order is placed until the time the elevator is installed in the customer's home. Average 49 days. This 49 days is spent as follows: wait time, inspection time, process time, move time, quit time. 12 days, 9 days, 8 days, 8 days, 12 days. What is Navern's manufacturing cycle efficiency for its elevators? And the answer of the question is, to calculate the Navern Corporation manufacturing cycle efficiency MC, we will use the formula MC is equal frac text value added time text total lead time times 100%. Value added time is the time spent on activities that directly contribute to the product service, while total lead time is the total time from order placement to product delivery. Given value added time is equal to inspection time plus process time is equal to 9 days plus 8 days is equal to 17 days. Total lead time is equal to wait time plus inspection time plus process time plus move time plus quit time is equal to 12 days plus 9 days plus 8 days plus 8 days plus 12 days equal to 49 days. Now let's plug these values into the formula. MC is equal to 17 text days 49 text days times 100%. MC is equal to 17 into 49 times 100%. MC approximately 34.69%. So Navern Corporation manufacturing cycle efficiency for its elevators is approximately 34.69%. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.